Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ruby Storm and I am back with another unboxing for today. I have been looking at bags for the last, I want to say like week or two, and I came across this bag at Neiman Marcus. It was a Marc Jacobs tote bag that I've been seeing some of the girlies wear, but this one has the faux fur on it. And I am obsessed. I got this for me, well actually Poppy got this for me for my birthday. And so let's just get into it, okay? So I got a Marc Jacobs tote bag, okay? I walked out of Lenox feeling like a million fucking bucks. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that and put that out there, okay? I was feeling good walking around Lenox with my bag like this, okay? Y'all ain't got shit on me. I'm just kidding, but no, I was feeling good after I purchased this. If you guys are at Lenox and you're looking for a bag at Marc Jacobs, ask for Ty. She was absolutely amazing when she helped me, so shouts out to Ty. She said that I'm gonna be obsessed and I'm gonna start shopping more at Marc Jacobs, and you know what? I don't think there's a lie that was told, because I was looking around, but I came there specifically for this one bag because I saw it on Neiman Marcus. I went to Neiman Marcus and they didn't end up having the bag. So luckily there was a Marc Jacobs store at Lenox. So it ended up working out. And it is a white bag. So I'm gonna have to be very cautious with this, okay? Because I can be a little bit clumsy, so I'm gonna have to make sure that I don't get anything on this bag. But y'all, look at her. She is so gorgeous. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with this tote. And she was telling me that like tote bags are really in right now and they're probably not going to be going away for a while. And I really needed a bigger bag from like the bag that I've been using every single day. This isn't going to be a bag that I wear every single day, but I did need a bigger bag to fit my camera and fit everything inside of it. So yeah, I am obsessed. So this is like the faux fur Marc Jacobs bag, and this is in white, in the color white, and this is a size small in the tote bag. So this is a size small. I almost got the mini, but I already have, you know, like 2 or 3 mini bags already, so I really don't need another. I really need a really big bag, so that's why I got this, and I'm seriously obsessed. And let's look at the back. The back is so cute. Okay, it says Marc Jacobs style, the tote bag. Location, NYC, year 1984. Shouts out to Marc Jacobs. Okay, so let's have a look on the inside. So I'm already seeing that there's a lot of space on the inside, and that's exactly what I need. It also comes with a tote strapped bag, like so you can put this on the sides and clip this on, and then it becomes the tote. So that's really cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out and see what this is giving. What is she giving? Let's see. Like, I don't even know who I am anymore. Like, there was a point in my life where I'm like, I don't really need designer. Like, I'm not a designer girly. Like, but once I got my first like designer bag, I think I've become a little obsessed with designer. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw that out there, because it's like the quality of the bags, of the clothing, like jewelry even, is just so much nicer. It's so much nicer. I can't even get this off, and I don't want to rip it off, so I'm gonna need some scissors. Definitely gonna need some scissors, but the bag is pretty spacious. Let's figure out where these tote straps go. So let's do, wait. Okay, so the tote straps are kind of like on the inside here. So I'm just gonna hook that on like that. And this one, I need some scissors for. Or wait, I have a lighter, so I'm gonna use a lighter. Kids, don't try this at home. Ooh. Okay, so we got that. Cool. Alright, so let's do that. Out of this strap. I honestly don't really like using the straps. Like, I'm not really a shoulder kind of girl. But like if I'm out and about and stuff, I'll probably wear this. But I really like I just like it like this. Like, this is very much giving. Okay, I am obsessed. Come through. Let's look at on the shoulders. Okay. You better work, bitch. Okay, yes. I am definitely obsessed with this bag. They need to watch out. She's definitely right, because I feel like I want to go back and get it in black. Like, the black one was really cute, but this one is like so freaking cute. They also had a bunch of colors. I think they had like yellow and pink. But girlies, the tote bag by Marc Jacobs, 100 out of 100. Okay, this is the shit. I absolutely love this bag. I'm obsessed with it, and I can't start to rocking it. Even though it's like a faux fur and it's the summertime, like, who gives a fuck? Look at how this bag is giving. It's giving. So yeah, thanks for coming to my little unboxing with me, a little bit of retail therapy. Poppy's birthday is next week, so I'll be coming out with another vlog dedicated to Poppy's birthday. Also, I have some exciting news coming up that I want to share with you guys. And that'll all be in the next vlog, but I just wanted to show you guys my new bag. Atlas, step away. This is white. You cannot touch. Give me a kiss though. Alright, y'all, I will see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you. I'll see you soon.